channel and welcome back to yet another video. Today I'll be showing you how I make my meat sauce. So this sauce is very simple to make. It only requires a little bit of time for it to be ready, but it's very easy and it has very simple ingredients, some of which you already have at hand. So you can eat this recipe on a bowl of rice, you can eat it with spaghetti, you can even eat it on its own. It's very simple for you to make, like I said, and let me just take you over the ingredients so that you can get started. So this meat sauce, the base of it is tomatoes. So you need a lot of tomatoes, and I've chopped them in large chunks because I'll be blending them. You need it to be in a paste. You don't need the chunks, you just need it in a paste because it will cook more and infuse better with the meat. You'll need some dhania. Here I have 2 cloves of garlic. I have a big one and a small one. You can use as much garlic as you want, but this is enough for me. And then I have a medium onion. I have not chopped it because I'm going to grate it. I want it to be in tiny pieces. You can also cut it up into very tiny pieces, but I find that grating it is much faster. You also need your ground beef. This is half kg of ground beef. You'll also need a spice of your choice. I like using the mixed spices because it has several spices in one. And then you'll need some salt and some water for the blending so that you can get everything going. And then over there I have a pan with some oil in it and ready to go, and you can use any pot you want. I just want to use this one because I'm feeling a little fancy today. So the first thing I want to do is to blend my tomatoes and my dhania. You can cook the dhania separate, but I like it when it mixed with the tomatoes and it's somehow not readily visible. That is just my preference. If you want to do it otherwise, then you can do it otherwise. So the first thing I want to do is just to bring the blender close to me, and I'm going to blend all the tomatoes into a very smooth texture. That is what you're looking for. Do not worry that it is a little bit runny. You're going to cook this for some time and it's going to cook down. You also need to use tomatoes that are very, very ripe. That will give you the best consistency and the best flavor. But the ones that I've put are the best I could get, and that is what I am using. So if you can get canned tomatoes, or you can get the ripest tomatoes you can, then that would be ideal for you to make. So now I want to work on my onion and my garlic, and like I said, for me grating it is faster, but you can chop it into tiny pieces if you want, but this is easier for me. So now everything is ready. My onion is ready, my garlic is ready, and my tomatoes are ready. Now I'm preheating my pot and I'm just waiting for the oil to come to temperature, and then we'll start cooking. So at this moment I'll just let you watch, and I'll play you some beautiful music as you watch me do what I'm doing.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time.
This is the same recipe that I follow when I am doing my meatballs, only that I change some things here and there, but basically I grate my onions and I grate my garlic, and I also blend my tomatoes because that will make the base that the meatballs bubble in. If that is something you want me to show you how I make my meatballs, whether they're the big ones or the small ones. Please let me know in the comments below and I will be happy to show you my recipe.
Hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Ooh.
So
Never gonna stop.
here you need to taste for seasoning and also add in your spice. You can put as little or as much as you want. Just a little bit goes a long way. We don't want it to overpower all the flavors in there. So give it a good mix. Then give it a little taste to see. I feel like it needs a little something, and also it's a little tangy, and that is because of the tomatoes. So if that happens to you, because not all tomatoes are the same, sometimes you can cook with some tomatoes and it doesn't become as tangy, you can handle it, but sometimes it becomes a little bit bitter, so you just add in like a teaspoon of sugar. So that is what I'm going to do. I know this might seem weird, but a little teaspoon won't hurt anybody. It balances out all the acid in the tomato, so don't worry about it. It will be just fine. Today I'm going to eat mine over rice and some steamed cabbage. So when I have leftover, I'll just boil some spaghetti tomorrow and we'll have dinner. So again, I am not afraid of going back with the same spoon because it's just me and my husband. Give a little taste again. It's fine now. Now for another 5 minutes, just to cook the spice and the sugar, and then we'll be ready, and then we'll be plating, and then we'll be eating. There you go. This is the final product.